Wow, this is so cool. They're like in the middle of nowhere. It's like a moon. Nice, thanks, folks. I'm gonna go out here and see if I can catch something. Dude, there's big hermit crabs over here too. Some fishies over here. Oh, a hermit and a crab, whatever you want to call it. Spider crab. Come on, big fishies. What is that? Oh, huge horseshoe crab. Another one. See that? That's pretty cool. Wow. Whoop, gotcha. There we go. Oh, I forgot my pliers. Oh, actually, no, I have them on my pocket. The little ones. Basically, I just have to bring him over here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, he's hooked onto my pants now. Is he free? Oh, he's free. Sweet. Oh, he's like right there, guys. Look at that. That's so cool. Look at that. He's right there. He's right by my foot. He's just hanging. That is so cool. I wonder if he'll get the lure again. That'd be really funny. Nope, he did not like that. He remembered it. Wow, I guess fish have a memory. Super cool. Hey guys, welcome to another fishing session with me, Rob. I'm just doing this on a whim because this is really cool and I never fished this spot before, and I've already caught a couple fish so far. There we go, right there. Holy mackerel. He's a little baby. Look at those schmoolies. Need my pliers.
Yeah, bring him over here.
Oh, we got him in the eye. That's too bad. Let's see. Oh, frick. I hate doing that to a fish. That's why I got singles, so that wouldn't happen. Oh, I am so...
Pretty good.
It's absolutely killing me.
Oh, did he get off?
I had to get him off quick because he was through his eye, the poor little guy. Hey Lee, where are you, in Boston? Oh, nice. Oh, hey. Oh, I got another one.
You got another one.
Oh, almost got one. Oh, yeah. It's I'm not using bait. I'm using like artificial lure. Here, I'll show you what it looks like.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah. By the way, if our kayaks start to float away, you're the one swimming out there to get them because you're ready.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, got one.
Oh, that's a good size one too. Oh, hopefully he holds.
Yeah. Oh, there's crab behind us.
Come on, buddy. We can bring you in. We just want to look at you. We don't want to eat you. He's actually probably the biggest one I've caught today. So.
Where do you put the fish? Oh, we catch and release.
Yeah, we release them because the regulations have changed. But also, I don't like to just bring a fish home. Wow, this is a good size. He might be a keeper. Maybe not. He's almost there though.
Oh, he saw us and spooked.
He's not happy. Nice. Oh, he's just hooked. You want to grab that?
Sea bass?
Yeah, that's a bass. That's almost keeper too.
Really?
Yeah, that's a sea bass.
Oh, just take it out.
These hooks are good.
Let's see him go.
Nice little fish. And there he goes. It swims away.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Sorry if I keep looking away, but the spray from my reel keeps moving. No, I'm talking to my viewers.
Oh. Is that a sand dollar?
You're a sand dollar.
I think it is a sand dollar.
Oh, is it? Get it. I want to put it on camera. That's cool. Oh. It's a glorified rock. Come on, where are the fish? I want to catch fish. I was kind of nervous because these hooks that I...
Fish over there, fish over there.
Where?
Or, like downstream of you.
Behind me?
Yes, downstream.
There's probably they're probably everywhere, Justin.
But he jumped right there.
Like right behind me?
Yeah.
All right, fine. I'll move my lure over there then. Just out?
Yeah.
Okay, right there.
To your left when you're facing that way.
Oh, jeez, you're right. Now what am I gonna do? Dude, they're like holding right out that ledge. That's cool. Of course, bringing them closer when they're in the current like this stinks, especially on a rod that could break. Which is why I set the drag loose. Bring him around forward of me. That way if he goes absolutely nuts, you just let go of the spool and he's gone. There we go. Nice. Whoa. Dude, this is way better than catching him on a giant surf rod. Yeah, he didn't like that. There he goes. Whoops, he's on my line. There he goes. Whee! That was cool. All right, let's try that again.
Was that funny? I'm like, over there. Like, okay, fine, I'm just gonna cast over there. Whee! So, Rob, what is that gray thing over there?
And let it drift. Oh, jeez! That was like immediate. That was so cool. Do you want to try?
No.
Yes, you do. Come on, man. This is a little guy too.
Fine.
Whee! Hello, little guy. I'm just a little fish. Look how light he is too. That's pretty cool. You'd think that these little inline hooks would do less damage to the fish, but unless they're really big, then it's fine. But when they're small like this, they really damage themselves. Okay, fine, you're gone. Sure you Justin's turn to cast. Nice. A little slow, so point your rod tip down. Nice and slow. Like slower than that. And twitch the rod a little. There you go. Sweet. Nice.
Oh, he's off.
He off? All right. They're still there.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
See? Okay, he's off. Dude, this is like the perfect place to like fly fish too.
Oh, jeez, immediately.
Yeah. They're like right, they're held in really tight in there. See what I'm doing to the rod right there? Yeah. You just kind of tug, 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 and the reel tug, tug. Just kind of half revolutions. That's so cool, that sunset. That's amazing. There's like these huge troughs you can just dip under. Yo. Okay. I guess it's time to go. Justin, nice enough to give me my kayak, my ride home. I'm talking to my viewers. All right, that's pretty much it. But thank you very much, guys, for joining me on this wonderful evening. I was just fishing out here with my brother, tinkering around, not really intending to film, but I happened to catch a lot of fish. And I happened to have my camera along with me too, so thought I'd record this quick little fishing session along with my brother, which I truly appreciate for coming along. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and I look forward to... Oh, hold on a second. There's fish jumping! No! Bad cast! Reeling incredibly fast. Okay. This is like albie fishing. Probably not gonna hook anything, actually.
Can we leave now?
Okay, as I was saying, before I ran off into a tizzy trying to catch fish, I really appreciate you guys watching this. Well, what else do I have to say? Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.